Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? What's up with y'all, man? It's your boy TBG Vlogs, man. You know what I'm saying? We up in this thing, man. So today, man, I got something real special for y'all today. Hope I'm not standing out of the camera, but if I am, it don't matter because y'all not here for that. So, what we got right here, you know, we got that young MOSSBERG thing right here, man. This is the first shotgun that I have to my name. First shotgun I bought, so let's see, let's open this thing together, y'all. You see this? This is that heat right here, y'all. This is heat. This is that heat, man. They say this is like a Raptor grip. It's still considered like a pistol grip, you know. I don't know exactly how this thing gonna shoot. This is my first shotgun, but you know, you can hold it like that. It's 14 inches. It's not that heavy. It's a little bit lighter than my AR. It feels like, but I like the way how it feels in hand. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I think I really enjoy the way like how it feels in hand. Can't really. Hold on, let me get this lock off. This lock is killing me. There we go. Okay. So, you see what I'm saying? Oh, that's gonna say. Wait a minute. Boy, what the heck? It's a noob here. Oh, that's the safety. So, okay. Okay. And then you will load the shells. Do you load the shells from? No, you load from right there. You put the shell in and keep loading. Then you go like that. Boom. Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You got that boy like these. You know what I'm saying? You might have to come down, see. You know what I'm saying? You got that boy like this. You feel me? Let me stop playing with y'all, but for real talk. I wonder, so I'm assuming that fiber optics gonna go right there, like a sight goes right there. I don't know what else would go there. I don't exactly know what this guy is right here. I know that look like a sling hole. Yeah, these look like sling holes. So far as this, I don't know exactly what this is for. Y'all can let me know down in the comments. So far I'm thinking sling, that's for the sling. And I did see something where you could add an extra, you can add extra slug for a +1. Okay, but so far I like it. I like it. So they said it sells as a handgun in other stores. But I mean, but here they had it on my receipt as other. This thing got a lot of lube on it. What the heck? Hold on, I don't know why I just said that out loud, but like, yeah. So I guess these are like holes for a reel also. Not gonna lie to y'all, I just really want to go shoot it, to be honest. This is just an unboxing, let you guys know. I don't know exactly how much I like this. Like so I guess I will hold. You gotta hold it at the hip, something like this. And it's gonna, they say they got a lot of kick, so I guess it's gonna go back. So I want to kind of hold it forward so I can have some of that go back on. I don't know, y'all. Let me know how y'all like this. I know I had asked y'all about it. Y'all said it was a good shotgun. So it takes, it's a 12 gauge and it takes 2 3/4. I mean 2 3/4 and a 3-inch shell. Let me know what shell should I shoot through this for this being my first shotgun. That won't be too crazy on me. So yeah, let me know down below if y'all got a MOSSBERG 590 or any kind of MOSSBERG, or if you have ever shot this before. What kind of shell should I use? And I also got this grip because I wanted my shotgun to have a grip like that. I don't really like it to be like this, like that. But it might. I gotta shoot it first. But Yeah, let's see. Might as well unbox this too. I'm gonna be putting it on my shotgun and whatnot, but I'm guessing it would go something like, I don't even know if this could fit on here. I really don't. I don't know. But we gonna find out. Yeah, man, that's it for today's video, y'all, man. That was the unboxing of the MOSSBERG 590 Shockwave. This thing was actually on sale at Dunham's. I don't know how many more shotguns I would add to the collection, because I don't think I'm a shotgun guy, but this one caught my attention. But yeah, man, we got to try some things out, man. Oh, this is a 4-end grip. Oh. Okay, now that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. This is supposed to go up here. So when you pull it back, you can hold it right here. And you can walk around like this. That makes a lot of sense. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Peace.